If there was a slight hope that the 2025 Ford Mondeo might be available in the US again, the company dismissed the rumors with the latest move. The car is removed from European factories, and it won't be offered there either. So the 5th-gen Mondeo remains in production only in China. Nevertheless, the Mondeo remains a part of the lineup in China and a few other markets. The all-new design already drawn a lot of attention. For the 2025, we won't see big changes. The carmaker might add extra options and packages, depending on the market where the car is available. This is one of the ways to see the Mondeo back in the US market. But as for vehicles with internal combustion engines, SUVs have a priority. Before Ford starts developing an electric car, they will also think about a few crossovers and trucks. So the Mondeo ranks really low in the pecking order. Anyway, Chinese customers are hoping for electrification as well. With a range of at least 200 miles, the Sedan could become one of the favorites. The 2025 Ford Mondeo is a 5-seat full-size sedan with plenty of space inside the cockpit. Some crossovers and SUVs have advantages over headroom and cargo space. It seems to be pretty important nowadays. Anyway, the Mondeo will also be available as the estate vehicle, with an extended tail and a liftgate. The liftback was also one of the options in the 4th generation and certain markets. The new Mondeo features only a couple of petrol units. A 1.5-liter mill delivers 180 horsepower, while a 2.0-liter displacement can produce 238 horsepower. Both are EcoBoost 4-cylinder models with turbochargers. An automatic transmission is standard with a front-wheel drive.